This is the snow whiteout in my place. This is me driving. Obviously, this is not safe at all. I'm going to 30, about 30, 25, 30, 25, about 20 miles under the speed limit. No, 15, I'm sorry, 15 under the speed limit. And I'm like getting somewhat traction of, holy shit. Oh god, there's traffic. Oh my god. This blizzard started when I was at work. I'll say about like maybe a half hour ago, maybe it started. I have more coverage of the storm and of the blizzard. Once I get home, I'll have a little bit more to show, and I'll obviously have a little bit more recorded. And instead of me like holding the camera while fucking driving, it's not a smart idea, but you know what? It's alright. I got this. Hold on, guys. Fuck. I can't fucking see. Can't see shit. Like, I can't even see the street I'm supposed to turn on. Where the hell is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is. Oh, there's a car behind me. Oh my. Alright, guys. Let me go to the speed limit here. Which is 25. They're squeaking. Oh, see me. Pretty freaking awesome now. I'll say. I'll say this is pretty wicked, so like I'm going 30. And I'm not slipping and sliding, but well, the guy in front of me, if you didn't just see that, was definitely slipping and sliding. I can't see. Oh my god. Alright guys, what I say, don't ever do this when if you're home alone. Or if you don't home alone, yeah, fuck, what the fuck am I saying? Oh, there's a person there.